So, when it's your birthday, where do you go?
Not cake.
Magic Kingdom?
Yeah.
You go to Magic Kingdom?
Yeah.
Oh, I see your button. So this is what you do. You wait in line to go on Astro Blasters? Is that what it's called?
Buzz Lightyear's.
I think it's called Astro Blasters in California. I don't know. Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin. That's what it's called. Are you ready to go into the Universe Protection Unit?
Am I?
She's waving us on, everybody. It's time to go. Time to go. Yay! We get to wait. Everybody stand right here. Get your feet, get your toes right up to the line. Don't go past the line. Don't go past the line. Oh no, you went past the line. It's our turn. It's our turn, losers. You don't get to go. We get to go. Oh, look at this. It looks amazing. Oh, look at it. It looks like they need to repaint out. What's going on out there? It looks like they're sanding.
Good thing it's closing for refurbishment soon.
Oh, that's, yeah. All right, Ian, 645,000. 645. Come on.
100,000.
I'm gonna hit 99999. Ready? Okay. What is your goal? 245.
Okay.
All right. You go in first because you're gonna control it. Good luck, Corbin. Oh, this is amazing. This looks so good. Look at Zerg. What a jerk. Oh, you ready? No seatbelts? All right. Thank you. Oh my God. These guns don't come off. They will soon. You're driving. You gotta drive. Oh, we're live. Here we go. It's time to go. Okay. You gotta keep us pointed. Nope, not in circles, Harlow. You gotta keep us pointed at that orange robot right there. Oh my God.
These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannons.
What do I need to hit?
His hand.
Oh, that's what I think.
Stabilize your
Up there.
I think I got it. I'm not sure though. Dad, how do you already have that mini?
Okay, get the volcano.
I think I got it. No, you got it.
How are we doing so far? All right.
Oh, that high.
Get the volcano.
I didn't know. How much did it give you? How much did it give you?
Oh, get that. How are we doing? 531? All right. The batteries. Okay. I got what I get here. I think it's the lowest one.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got something really good.
Got to get that bottom one. I can't aim right there right now. 760.
I must have power.
Oh my gosh. Almost there. Almost there. Yeah, turn us back that way. I'm really starting to feel sick. I did it, sir! I'm better than you!
No.
I'm the best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will be!
Can I sing us now?
Did you do it?
I did it!
Are you gonna go get your pen?
Huh?
Are you gonna go get your pen?
What?
Are you gonna go get your pen?
Oh, should I get my pen?
Space Rangers. Check the status board to review.
Bye, Buzz. Love you, buddy. Thanks for the ride.
I got.
Corbin, you have fun? Yeah? 3,700.
No. Well,
Look what I scored. I'm celebrating because I'm a Galactic Hero. I did 999. That's right. That's right. By the way, this entire vlog, I'm not going to show me. If you've never seen me, you're just going to have to wonder. I know.
Put your pen on it.
Hey, I got this pen, everybody. I got this pen. I got it. You can't have it.